Okay folks, in preparation for continuing the installation of the Great Crossing Pro, once you have installed all of your emitters and detectors, now remember I'm using infrared system because this will detect the train whether you have light on or lights off in the layout. If you intend to do any nighttime running, you're going to need the infrared detectors. Basically, once they're all installed where they need to go, I pulled out all of the emitters out because I need to solder a 180 ohm resistor to the white wire of each emitter, and that is what I am in the process of doing now. So this resistor, which is included with the Great Crossing Pro or included with extra infrared detectors if you need to purchase, as I did, I had to purchase 4 extra, will be soldered to the white wire. So go ahead and do that and we'll come back. Okay, so here I'm soldering the resistor to the white wire. I have it on a soldering jig, and it just makes things a little easier. And once you have it on there, just slip some heat shrink over the wire and the connection, and just shrink it down. Okay, so here we have soldered a resistor to the white wire of each of the emitters, and I went ahead and soldered a piece of wire to each of the resistors that will go connected to the red and yellow wires of each of the crossing bucks. There's a shot. You have 2 red, 2 yellow, and 1 white. White being the common, and the red, both reds would be for either the right side lights, and then the yellow for the left, or vice versa, but that's the general idea. And one of each gets soldered onto each of the wires. Directly underneath the crossing, I have the transformer. It's going to power, eventually this will power 6 Railroad Crossing Pros. As you can see, 2.5 amps, and I have it set to 12 volts. And right now I have all of the resistors wired and soldered together, and to keep the stress off of the cables, as you can see, I attach them to Velcro. That way the weight of the cables isn't pulling on the crossing bucks themselves. You have one there and the other one right there behind the toward a switch machine. Okay, for sound, I'm using this 4-watt 8-ohm 4-inch speaker that I also got from Rail Logic, and I'm going to be building a small mounting plate for it. Went ahead and measured a 4-inch hole with a compass, and I'll be cutting that out with a jigsaw. Okay, so as you can see what I'm doing, I took a large drill bit, went around the 4-inch perimeter, the interior perimeter of the speaker hole, and using my jigsaw, Just going ahead and making a scroll saw cut around the edge. It should give me a somewhat of a clean edge. Okay, once you get the hole cut, just cut a square frame around where the speaker is going to be placed. It doesn't have to be neat. I mean, it's just holding the speaker, and this is going to be under the layout, so the speaker will never be seen. Alright, so I went ahead and mixed some 5-minute epoxy and also cut a 1/4 by half, or about 3/8 by ½ inch piece of spruce, which I will glue to the top border of the speaker mounting bracket. And then I'll put some clamps on this and let it set. Alright, so this is a shot of the finished speaker bracket. Went ahead and used my drill press to drill some mounting holes through the plywood and the spruce on the back, and now I can bolt it onto the frame of the railroad. And it's a little crude but effective, and since it's not going to be seen, I probably won't even bother painting it. But if you wanted to, you could paint it the color of your fascia. Okay, I went ahead and connected all of the 8 of the LEDs to the transformer. I want to make sure that they're all working before you proceed. And also went ahead and mounted the speaker. And here's a shot of the 2 grade crossing pros. Speaker, resistors, and the transformer.